Updating your billing address on Productboard is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log in. Access your Productboard account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use ISROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, find and select the billing information section. This is where you can view and edit your billing address. Step 4. Update your address. Enter your new billing address in the appropriate fields. Make sure to double check for any errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing address up to date on Productboard. Regularly checking your information can help avoid any billing issues in the future.